this way.
Well, can you start down there and go like this?
Huh?
Can you start down there and go like this?
Sure.
Okay.
I saw Jordan going without pedaling. He wants to try that.
Oh.
So you can do that if you go downhill.
Scoot back a little bit more so we can get going.
Huh?
Never mind.
Wait.
All right, now stop pedaling. And just balance without pedaling. There you go. See? Now you can start pedaling again. So that's how you slow down. Stop pedaling and you balance without pedaling.
Dad gave me the idea to show him. Yeah. To be the youngest two-wheel rider ever, don't you think?
No, he's just